So I've had my eyes out for an early 60s Chevy C10 Apache for quite a few years now, and actually it was 2 years ago around Christmas time we found one locally and my wife surprised me with it for Christmas. It was in pretty rough shape, it barely ran. I've done a lot of work to it, but it still has a long ways to go. So when I actually started restoring it about 1.5 years ago, I documented it all and I was posting the restoration videos to a smaller channel of mine. Due to the way that YouTube's doing things lately and the fact that it's fabrication, it's the same thing I'm doing on this channel, I'm just going to move all of that content. I'm going to start trickling it over into this main channel here. And I'll show you an image here of how I'm actually going to build it out. One of my really good friends, Jeff Allison, is actually a concept artist, and I've always really been a fan of the 1960s style gassers. So that's kind of what we decided on as far as the build. So a little bit of background on me. I did used to work as a mechanic about 12, 15 years ago, but all my experience has been mechanical, mostly engines and drivetrains, that sort of stuff. Until I started working on this truck, I had never pounded out a dent before, never worked with any sort of body fill or any sort of that stuff, so that's all completely new. The idea is that I'm going to learn along the way. Hopefully you guys will learn something along the way. If you know stuff that I don't, feel free to share. Please share it with me. I might not know what I'm doing now, but one of the good things about metal fabrication is that it's pretty easy to go back and correct your mistakes when you make them. Also, one of the things that's going to be a little bit different about this build is this is my shop truck. I need this to pick up materials, deliver projects, so I can't really take it out of commission for more than like 3-4 days at a time. I think that's going to be a little bit more accessible to the general public out there as well, because I don't have access to a huge shop with lifts, and I certainly don't have the time to do a frame-off restoration, so it's kind of forcing me to go through and do this one piece at a time, which makes it a lot less intimidating, but it also makes it a little bit trickier. So I'm actually going to put a link in this corner that'll take you to that first video of the restoration, and I have 4 other videos that I'll be bringing over to this channel here over the next week or two. And a lot of people have been asking when the upcoming video is coming out. I actually have it finished, I just need to edit it, so I will have that one posted here in the next few weeks as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the restoration.